On this video, I'm going to be showing you. I mostly get a lot of DMs about how to buy Bitcoin, the reliable platform to buy Bitcoin. And today I want to disclose this website to you, which I've been using for the past 2 years, and they are very trustworthy, and their service is very good. They are doing very well. I really like the operation very much. Everything is very secure, reliable. The website name, I will leave it in the video description down below. The website name is eBitcoinix. And okay, it only works in Ghana and Nigeria. So if you are in Ghana, in Nigeria, and you're looking forward to buy Bitcoin, then I recommend this website for you. The name is eBitcoinix. So I'm not going to go through the registration process as we do sign up in any other websites. The registration, sign up, or the registration process are all the same. You have to click on the sign up button, type in your name, your phone number, your email, and confirm your email, and you are well to go. So I've logged into my eBitcoinix account, and the next thing I want to show you is their rates for selling Bitcoin and also buying Bitcoin from you. The only sell or buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Perfect Money, and I think Bitcoin Cash as well. And here is their rates. If you are now, I've switched the country to Ghana because I'm in Ghana right now, and these their rates, 5 CD93 per Swiss, and this their selling rate. So when you want to buy from a Bitcoinix, this is how much their rate is. This, so depending on how much you want to buy, and if you looking forward to sell to them, this is the rates they buy from you. Okay, so the next thing what you want to do is, in case you want to buy Bitcoin, you click on the buy, or you go to exchange and you click on buy. When you click on buy, they will ask you for your country. As I already told you, the country and Ghana in Nigeria, and if you are in Ghana, you click on Ghana. Since I'm in Ghana, I'll click in Ghana. The next thing you want to do is you go to the next page. The next page, they are asking you which currency you want to buy from them. And if you want to buy Bitcoin, you select Bitcoin. As I told you, I mentioned earlier, these are the currency they are trading. They have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Perfect Money, Smart Cash, Dash, and Bitcoin Cash. And when you select the coin you want to buy from eBitcoinix, you click in this circle to turn dark, which means you've selected Bitcoin. And the next thing you want to do is you select the payment mode. If you want to use bank, they have that payment mode accessible, and if you want to use mobile money in Ghana, here mobile money is the most easiest way for making payments online, and it's proven trusted, and everyone loves it. Simple, easy. It's the same as bank, but most people love using mobile money to make their online payments. And I will click on mobile money, and one good about eBitcoinix is they support almost all the mobile network, like the mobile money networks, Vodafone Cash, MTN Mobile Money, and Tigo Cash. And I really love, that's one thing I love about them. So if you are using MTN, Vodafone, Tigo, you can go ahead. So on this next page, they are going to ask you for your requirements, and after signing up, what you want to do, if you want to buy more than $200 Bitcoin from eBitcoinix, you will need to go through the KYC registration, which is very important. it will allow you to, I mean, buy more than now. Because I have not go through the KYC verification process, that's why it is shown here as my today's limit. So every day you have a limit of $200 worth of Bitcoin to buy from them. Now, before you can buy more than $200 of Bitcoin, you need to click on their KYC registration or verification process and go through all this verification process. As soon as it gets verified by them, you'll get a notification, or you'll get an email letting you know that your KYC verification process has been verified and or has been approved. Now let's go back to our buying page. So you want to buy Bitcoin, and this is the page it will send you after choosing your country and clicking on the Bitcoin. The coin you select the coin, you go to the payment, select the payment mode. This is the next page you are going to land on. And let's say you want to buy $100 of Bitcoin, and you can only buy up to $200 of Bitcoin or $199 of Bitcoin. And so you click here, $100 of Bitcoin. They will convert it into cedis, and it will show you. So the conversion rates, as you know, they sell to you, the individual or the customer, at a rate of 5.93. So if you calculate $100 by 5.93 in Ghana cedi, is going to be 593 Ghana cedis. And what I love about eBitcoin is for the network fee, it changes. For that one, it depends on the blockchain transaction fee. But I really love their network fee. Most of the other websites, the network fee is too high. It's very, very high. And even especially when you are doing P2P, you can see the network fee is very high. But for eBitcoin, to me, my experience, I think is the best. The network fee is very good, which is $4.64. And what they will do is they will add the network fee to the total amount you entered here, which is the $100, which will be $104.64 in Ghana cedi, or in addition to the conversion rate, the $4.64. In addition to the conversion rate, which will be 620 Ghana cedi, 52 pesos. And the next thing you want to do is you want to enter your Bitcoin wallet address. And here, this is where you have to be very, very careful. You need to make sure your Bitcoin wallet address, there is no deletion after entering your wallet address. There is no deletion. Because if you made a mistake and even you delete, let's say, the last letter, which is capital R, and you click on continue, or you click on next, this is out of eBitcoin's hands. They just send your Bitcoin to the wallet address you provided. So please, when you are inputting your wallet address, you need to be very careful. And you need to cross-check your address, 2 or 3 times, to make sure the address you've entered here is correct as to where the Bitcoin is going to. So let's say you are receiving your Bitcoin in your exchange account or your wallet address. Make sure you. So I'll go to the next page. When you click on the next page, you'll be landed on this page, which is confirming your order status to you. So you will see they will file your order for you. And another thing I love about eBitcoin is this is the amount you have to pay: 620 cedis, 52 pesos, which is $104.64. One thing I love about eBitcoin is if in case you make a mistake and you send more than this amount, they will calculate it in your Bitcoin and send to your wallet address. And if you also make a mistake or intentionally send an amount which is lower than this, they will calculate it and send it to your Bitcoin wallet address. So here I really love their customer service. I mean, how they provide their service. They are very consistent, and I really love them. And when on this page, which shows that everything, so the next thing you have to do is you go to your payment details, and if it is MTN, you choose MTN. Let's say, let me click on it. I'm not going to buy anything, I'm just doing it for those who are asking me. So here you have the other details. Here you can review it again, and you have the payments details here. And mobile money details. Since we chose to use mobile money, you click, you see they have all the networks. So if you want to use Airtel, Tigo Cash, you click on it. Vodafone, they will give you your their agent till number or their merchant number, and if it is MTN, so they will give you their MomoPay ID. And you can, if you don't know how to go about it, you can click here to view the instruction of using MTN mobile money. And the next thing you want to do is, after choosing the network you want to use to send them the money, you see when you use MTN mobile money or Vodafone Cash, I've never used Airtel Tigo before. When you use any of these network to send your payment, you see they instantly send you a message which is confirming that this amount of money have been sent to this tel number or merchant's number or MomoPay ID. That message, you copy the whole message, and you click on the message you receive, you copy it and you paste it here. And when you paste it here, you have to hide your current balance or your final balance in your account. They only need to see the transaction ID and also the amounts included. So you paste that message you get from any of these networks after using to send the money. Okay, so that is how simple it is to use a Bitcoinix. And the first notification you will get after making the payment, and you click down here, you go down here and you submit your form, you'll get instant email notification letting you know that they have received your buy order request, and in a couple of minutes they will send you another email notification. They will email you again letting you know that your buy requests have been sent. And if you want to track, the buy request will include a transaction hash, which you can copy that transaction hash and go to blockchain transaction, and you can search it there, so you will know that yes, genuinely they have sent you your Bitcoin, and you can track it from there. When it gets confirmed, you will see it, and when it's unconfirmed, the moment they send you your Bitcoin, the blockchain confirmation is not in the hands of your Bitcoinix. That one is decentralized, so no one has power over it. You just have to wait till blockchain confirms your transaction and you receive it instantly into your wallet. Alright, thank you, and make sure you subscribe to this video, and because I have more future videos which are going to be profitable. In future, I'm going to be talking about how I do my trade, how I earn almost $100 every day trading cryptocurrency. And I think this will be a very good opportunity for you to also learn how I do it. I'm not an expert, but I'm going to show you the simple way of making money trading cryptocurrency. All right, thank you.